Okay, so what I meant by not forever, I mean, like, it's not going to go on forever. You can set the amount of loops that you want, and that's done with the for statement. Now, just for, I'm just going to type this in for you guys first. For I equals 1 to 10, do, and we're going to end it because it'll say, do these loops and then move on to your next kind of code. Now, the for I, that's just a variable that we want to set. I always use I. So does everybody else. So for I equals 1 to 10, so we're going to loop this 10 times. That's basically what it is. Your starting number is what you start at, and the 10 is what you want to end at. So it'll loop 10 times, and let's just say print I. Now I is equal to 1 to 10 in this, so the for I, the I is going to be equal to 1, then to 2, then to 3, then to 4 as we keep going. Then let's add a wait 1 and see what happens. Actually, let's wait half a second. Alright, so we're going to run it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And see, it stops at 10. It doesn't keep going. So the I is equal to 1 to 10. We printed that. We waited 0.5 seconds. And it should end right there, and we should be able to move on with our scripts. So let's print moving on. Alright, let's make that just a little bit shorter time. 0.25 seconds. Alright, I'm going to run that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then moving on. It'll keep running with the script. You can keep running your script. There's no delay needed. No delay zero function. You don't need any of that. And for loops can be, like, you can go 1 to 100. It'll print 1 to 100 each time, or you can make it print high 100 times. Alright, and then there's another one. You can add another comma, and you can type in, let's say, 5. Okay, so this is like the interval that it moves at. So if we do this, we print I again. Let's see what will happen. Since we set 5 as the interval, it's going to keep adding 5 to every one until you get to 100. And you can do that with any amount you want. Let's do, 20. And it should go up by 20. Yep. And that's for loops are pretty simple too. Scripting in itself is actually pretty simple if you have the right mentor. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next tutorial.